Hello, little bird watchers. Welcome to Rain and Shine. Today, we are going to learn the names of 50 different birds. Let's spell them together. Ready? Let's go. The first bird is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Next, we have the parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Here's a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Now, let's spell eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Meet the flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Next, it's the owl. O-W-L, owl. Here's a robin. R-O-B-I-N, robin. Let's spell dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Now, we have the woodpecker. W-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. This bird is a swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Here's a hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Say hello to the pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. This is a canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. Next, it's the kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Here's a crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Let's spell ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. This bird is a crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Meet the falcon. F-A-L-C-O-N, falcon. Now, we have the turkey. T-U-R-K-Y, turkey. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Here's a goose. G-O-S-E, goose. Let's spell heron. H-E-R-O-N, heron. Say hi to the seagull. S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. This bird is a swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W, swallow. Meet the stork. S-T-O-R-K, stork. Here's a vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. This is a macaw. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. Let's spell cockatoo. C-O-C-K-A-T-O, cockatoo. This bird is a quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Here's a rooster. R-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Say hello to the toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. This bird is a finch. F-I-N-C-H, finch. Let's spell pigeon. P-I-G-U-N, pigeon. Here's an ibis. I-B-I-S, ibis. This bird is a magpie. M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie. Meet the goldfinch. G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H, goldfinch. Here's a loon. L-O-N, loon. Say hi to the emu. E-M-U, emu. This bird is a cardinal. C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L, cardinal. Let's meet the nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. This is a canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. Here's a parakeet. P-A-R-A-K-E-T, parakeet. Say hello to the albatross. A-L-B-A-T-R-O-S-S, albatross. This bird is a tanager. Tanager, tanager. Here's a swift. Swift, swift. Meet the tern. Tern, tern. This is a woodcock. Wodcock, woodcock. Let's spell pheasant. Phasant, pheasant. Finally, here's a kookaburra. Kookaburra, kookaburra. You did an awesome job spelling all those bird names today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Rain and Shine, and hit the bell so we can learn more together next time.